So I was gonna do a POV, but I'm sorry. Y'all know I like to talk. Alright, so we kind of just... Oh my gosh, can you get off my behind? Jesus. Freaking 2.5. Hey, no bad rep because of 2.5. I have a lot of friends with 2.5s, and I had 2.5s. Bless up to the old rabbit. If you know, you know. Bless up to the old rabbit. If you know, you know. But, so... This thing finally has a good running alternator. So I can finally rev above 4,000 RPMs without it cutting up, which is very good. You can finally have some daggone fun in this car. And not fun to where it's like damaging to the car, but fun as in like, you know, actually revving her out, you know, downshifting, you know, just getting all the good noises that this car freaking has. Like, seriously? I mean, you got pops on overrun, just the visceral sound that you get up top when you rev it all the way out. It is just, this car, it just leaves you smiling. I mean, this isn't really gonna be a, like, you know, long behind drive, but like, seriously, this car, like, you guys will see. You guys will see once we get, you know, some open room. You guys will definitely see what I mean. The sound of this car, which might not actually come through on camera really good, but it sounds freaking beautiful. When you're revving it, when you're driving hard, when you downshift, everything. It okay, Mr. Caliber. It just sounds so good. Like, the first day I drove it to work after they put the alternator in, I fell in love with this car. Seriously, like, just like that sound up top, and then the blah blah. Oh my gosh, just it just leaves you cracking up smiling because you think it's a stock car. But this is how they were back then. They were, you know, dialogue, you know, you can hear the motor, you can hear the power, even though, yeah, it's 170 horsepower, but that was a lot for back then. And you can hear it when you're driving this car. You can hear that this was a sports car of its, you know, century, decade, year, whatever. It was the sports car of the year that this car was born in, and you can hear it, you can feel it, and it's 170 horsepower, but I mean, it's not really a slow car, you know. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it still has some pickup torque, you know. I mean, it just everything about this car, even just driving it at night makes it a whole lot better. I still have yet to take the T-tops off, but yeah, everything about it, from the digital everything, you know, the green lights, you know, I mean, you got electric defog mirrors in 1986 with both passenger and driver electric seats, electric mirrors. I mean, you got cruise control. Like, bro, like, you had this back then, you were a freaking baller. Like, seriously, then you get to press on it and hear that. Let off. Okay, there was no pops this time, but you know, you can see there will be pops. Doesn't happen all the time, but it definitely does happen. Wow, you didn't even stop at the stop sign, buddy. But yeah, like, hey, there's that guy with the Jixer. But yeah, this car is just, I can't. Oh my gosh, are you gonna run it? Okay, about it. Like, I'm like, because people don't know that there's a stop sign there now for always, but just, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And you guys only got to hear a small little bit of it, but I am tired. Look, it was a long day at work. I filmed so many cars at work. Actually, hit up the Instagram and TikTok page. You guys will see other cars I reviewed at work. especially that Ford Lightning. That Ford Lightning is not a truck. I'm telling you, that new Ford F-150 Lightning is not a truck. That is a sports car. Hands down, that is a sports car. You see the B6 peeping over there, but that car is a sport. That truck is a sports car. Like the way that thing pulls is, oh my gosh, it's crazy. But I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm probably gonna have an outro somewhere else, but yeah, more content on this soon. That's all I gotta say. More content on this soon.